Greetings again from my studio. I will be reconstructing Windows of the World restaurant from World Trade Center. I mix traditional darkroom chemistry to capture the past. Using Schroeder's formula, I extracted standing waves of the World Trade Center 106th floor. No digital prints, just raw photography paper in total darkness. The room frequencies control the laser, burning its geometry into the emulsion. In the developer, the invisible waves finally appear. A permanent photographic artifact of a space that no longer exists. Which iconic architecture should I develop next?